Hello, everyone. I know you guys from Korea, Indonesia, India, Malaysia, even New Zealand, Africa, etc., Philippines, Singapore, Thailand. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hola, kamu stapu, namaste, sawadi. 안녕하세요, 반갑습니다. I'd like to welcome you to TVU's presentation today. It's a webinar on remote production solution. It's all about how to bring your studio to your home. We're really appreciating everyone participating in today's show. This is today's agenda. My name is Johnny. I'm Sales Director of Business Development at TVU Networks in Korea. I'm joining today with Jay, who is our Solution Architect Director at TVU Networks in Philippines.
Hello.
We have TV offices in everywhere, all over the world. We've been working media market for news broadcast, sports, including esports, live streaming, live events, visual radio, etc. for more than 15 years in this market. Now, we are going to be talking about so-called home production by using multi-channel cloud-based solution that is producer platform with the TVU Anywhere cell phones application. What you need is just open up the TVU Anywhere application, and then it just quickly connect into a cloud production environment that enable frame accurate switching and robust broadcast quality production. What it can do and why we need this. In this almost 6 million cases pandemic situation, live production cannot be done easily inside of the studio. Everyone is blocked, just staying at home and cannot go outside. How could you do a live production without any whole bunch of hardware and cables? The answer is TVU Anywhere, which is using the cell phones application. We can make so-called remote production by using this phone and home internet with even people who stay in different locations and countries. The beauty of this producer is frame accurate seamless switching solution. This is sample. These are TV3 RTVE station in Spain, 12 news station in US, ESPN in US. Please just take a short look at this amazing fan interview clip at TV3 station in Spain recently. We've done various events, including a multiple sports show with fan interviews, a lot of activities on news production, weather forecast, and making concerts from home. It is all about your phone application. No need any fancy hardware at all. It allows anyone who have a phone to really quickly go on air through just phone application. Let's see how we use TVU Producer from now.
Yeah, hi. My name is Jay, and I'm from TVU Networks Philippines. So today we will show you how the TVU Producer and the TVU Anywhere works. So right now, you will see on your screens right now is our TVU Anywhere. It is our capturing device, which is installed from any of your mobile devices, like an Android phone or an iOS phone. So nowadays, We've been using a lot of the smartphones with, and it's actually TVU app ready. So we just need to download it for free from any Android or iOS devices. So in this pandemic times, one of the huge users in the region in APAC is the CNN Philippines. They've actually took advantage of using the great features of our TV solutions. And two of those are the TVU Anywhere and a TVU receiver. So during this time, most of the anchors and reporters are blocked and cannot go outside or even go to the station. So what they do is they use their mobile phones with the installed TVU Anywhere mobile app, and they transmit live anchoring from home back to the station. And that's how the TVU Anywhere looks so powerful. So, and with the TVU producer, we are actually ensuring that we provide the broadcast quality professional production in the cloud. So in order to do that, it took a lot of specialized work and patents to ensure that we have the frame accuracy and that the experience of the operator while utilizing the TV producer is really totally in sync. So one of the hardest things actually that solutions in the cloud is facing right now is the latency. So which is being inherent from the cloud facilities. So by utilizing the proprietary TVU technology, like the IS Plus, or we call it the inverse Statmos Plus, we've been able to make that operation seamless. So let's go now to the live TVU producer demo. So I will show you it right now. Jenny, are you able to see my screen right now, the TVU producer?
Not yet.
Is it the, okay. Okay. So what you see right now from your screens is our TVU producer environment. So it's like a normal or the ordinary, like a TVU or a production switcher in your studios. But this one, it is being utilized, or it works from the cloud. So it's all in the cloud. So you only need a laptop or PC to make it work, to drive the TVU producer. And also you need a mobile phone to install a TVU Anywhere for capturing. So what I have right now is my mobile phone with the TVU Anywhere, and my laptop as the TV producer, okay? So in your screens, you'll be able to see two main monitors. So on the left is my preview monitor, where we stage all the components or all the elements that we need to transpose to the program monitor. And on your right is the program monitor. What you see from your program monitor is what you get from the social media platforms, or it could be to off the TVU receiver or TVU grid receiver to be able to utilize an SDI signal feed. And later on, I will show you how to set the destination, so we can set it, or we can send this program output to social media platforms, or different social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Yahoo, Periscope, and even to a TVU receiver to get an SDI signal feed. So underneath these main monitors, you'll be able to see small boxes, which actually stands for the sources that you can add. So you're gonna have the total of 4 live sources. So how to add a source? You just need to click the box, And from here, you'll be able to see an options, like 4 different options that you can add. Like if you want to add an IP source or like an HTTPS link, or if you want to add like a YouTube link, you can also add it from here. So you just press external IP source, then click the add button down there, and just copy a link, a YouTube link, and paste it from here. And then once you save it, it should be available from here. Another one is to add, that you can add, is a TVU Anywhere. So that is our mobile devices. So what you need is to scan the QR code that our boxes pop out, and automatically in a matter of like few seconds, your mobile devices will be added to this TVU Producer Environment. So right now I'm going to scan Johnny's mobile device and let him scan this first QR code. So right there, in a matter of few seconds, Johnny is already connected to my TVU Producer. I am actually here in Manila, while Johnny is in South Korea, in Seoul. So imagine that we can integrate multiple TVU Anywhere from any parts of the world. So you can do your live shows anytime, anywhere. So that's how TVU works. We can also add another device. I believe Johnny still has another TVU Anywhere app from his another cell phone. So Johnny can scan this second source and add it to this TVU Anywhere. All right, so we are seeing now two angles from Johnny. So we are actually taking a shot of same subject but different angles. So look at when Johnny raises his hands, you will see the frame accuracy of TVU Producer. See how accurate the frame is. So we can switch from one source to another. Okay, so right there. Okay, I will also add my TVU Anywhere on this one. So I will just scan the third source. Just wanted to add that that our TVU Anywhere can aggregate multiple networks. So if you have an available Wi-Fi at your home and data from your mobile phone, you can actually turn it on. So the system will automatically aggregate it for a better bandwidth. So right now, my TVU Anywhere is connected together with Johnny's mobile phone devices. And another thing is I've added a YouTube link on here in the source number 4. So right now you'll be able to see, you are seeing right now an IP stream coming from another web link. We can also add a file, a video file that we can play back along with the program. So on this box number 5, this is the stage where we can put or add the video file. So just click this one, the settings, and then the window will pop up that shows you this add button. So you just need to click this add button and locate the target file that you want to upload as part of the show. Apart from that, this playback clip control has the play and the pause button. So you can either play or pause the clip while doing the show. So while another camera source. And you can still add another IP stream from the source number 6. The box number 7 stands for the video effect. So we can have the dual view, or what we call the Mr. and Miss. And we can also have the quad view, or the 4 monitors in a single view. And later on, we will add the sources. Oh, by the way, we can also add it actually. So right now we click the quad view and we click next, and we just assign the sources to this Windows A, B, and C. So right now I'm adding the sources. So once everything is added, so you just need to click the add it to source. So it is now populating to my source box number 7. So once it's available in there, you can utilize it already and put it on air. So right now I will click the source number 7. So right now you are able to see the quad view on my preview monitor. And then put it on there. Just if you want to put it on there, just click video cut. And if you want to do overlay cut later on, I will show you how to add graphics. Okay, how to add graphics. So right now, we can add the graphics through this overlay button. By the way, I just want to remind you guys that if there's any delay that you are seeing from your screen, please bear with us, because we are using the Zoom technology, and it's quite a limitation to this meeting application, because it is eating a lot of sources. The Zoom technology it's eating a lot of sources, so it is beyond the TVU producer's control. So just to show you what is happening from the back end. By the way, you can also ask for a demo of this one, so you can experience it on hand and live by yourself. Just ask us later on to provide you a sampler or trial access for the TVU Producer and the TVU Anywhere. So bear with us if you see some freezing of the screen. It is actually a Zoom limitation. So right now we continue to do the overlay graphics. So doing the overlay graphics, you just need to click the overlay button, and there will be 2 options that will give you the overlay options that we will give you: the native and the singular. So the native is just for the static logos that you can add to your program. So if you want to add another graphics, you just click this add button and select or locate the particular graphic file that you wanted to add. Make sure that your file is in JPEG, PNG, and GIF. There's also a maximum size of 1 MB on this particular graphic file. If you want to unselect, or if you want to put the graphic off air, you just need to unselect like this. I will unselect live. So you'll be able to see that on my previous screen, the live graphics disappear already. So click again the overlay cut to update my program output. So right now, from my program output, you will only see the video program and the TVU logo. So it is updated right now. And if you want to put it back on air, just select it again, and then you'll be able to see it from the preview window, and click overlay to update your program monitor. And for more sophisticated graphics that you want, like animated graphics, moving graphics, we can use the Singular Live graphic online provider. So actually, TVU Producer is integrated to Singular Live. So Singular Live is an online graphic provider. So we can just select any of the graphics, and you can, if you want to put like a moving graphics like a ticker or a crawler or lower thirds, we can utilize Singular Live. And for the audio controls, on this AFB button or icon, we can actually disable the audios that we don't want to hear. So for example, this is just to remind you that this is just a simple audio control right now. Okay, later on, in a matter of 2 weeks, we're going to launch a new audio control panel from TVU Network that is integrated to our TV producer that you can easily adjust volume or select the target audio that you wanted to put on air. So right now, by default, the video, whatever video that you see from your program output is the audio that you will also hear. So this is what we call the audio follow video. So whatever is the source, that is whatever is the video source, that is also the audio source that will be showing and then that you will be hearing from your program output. So I just need to disable this audio follow video if I want to hear other audio source to be on my output. So for example, my video output right now is a quad view, and I wanted to hear only Johnny's audio. So I will just select audio number 1 from this audio control panel. So right now, Johnny's audio is up right now and it's on air, while the video that you're seeing on your program output is the quad view source. And that's how it works. So once the updated the audio control panel is released, we are going to update you all about this development. So just to let you know that the TVU network keeps on improving and developing solutions almost every day. So our developers do not stop in creating new solutions for the benefit of the broadcast community. And we can also communicate with the TVU Anywhere users. For example, Johnny has a cameraman and I am the director, and I want to send some instruction to the cameraman to do camera panning or zooming Johnny's face while he is doing some live reports from his home studio. So I can call up this source number 1, just dialing this call button, and once it is connected, I can already talk to the cameraman of Johnny. So it will turn to red icon once it's connected, once it established the link. So the audio is real time, no delay. It's like you're just like calling a phone. The beauty of this is you don't need another phone to use to provide override audio. You just use your TVU Anywhere while doing the report and getting instruction from the director back to the station, wherever the director is located. And once everything is ready and prepared, you can already set the output to destination. So what is this output destination is all about? So this is all about the setting all your destination or target points. For example, you want to publish your program output to a particular social media platform like Facebook or YouTube. So you just need to add it from this panel. So looking down below from the left bottom of your screen, there is an add button that will show up, and you just need to click add to select a particular social media platform. For example, on this scenario, we want to add a Facebook account. I just need to put an output name, any output name. For example, for this one, TVU webinar. And then just click authenticate. It is actually authenticating the particular account that is open on the same browser that I have, that I am running my TVU producer. And just save it. And once you save the account, It's actually available already in my Bind social account window. So I will just select this TVU webinar profile and then click import button. So right now, it is available now to my output to destination. So if I want to put my program output on air already, I will just need to click go live. But if I want to add more details like video description, like the normal thing that we do when we do Facebook Live in our mobile phones, we just need to click this three dots icon, and then we just need to add the video description. TVU webinar. I will just put a simple video description. And then we can set the resolution, the bitrate, the video title, and your target page you want to put this on air. So, for example, I am managing multiple pages. So I will select the particular page that I want to go on air to. So for example, for this one, I will select TVU Networks PH. And then select private and select share. And it's now populating to my TVU producers. So right now, you will see that it gets updated already. So now it is on air already. So whatever you see from your program output, and that is what you get from your from the Facebook account that I set from this output to destination. So if you have an extra mobile phones in there, you can visit the TVU networks page. Like this one. Yeah. So let's check it now with my TVU Networks PH page and see if if our program from our TVU producer is now online and available on air. Okay. And that's how we quickly set it up. Okay, so it is now available to our to my TVU Networks PH page. The beauty of this is this TVU producer can overlay graphics, so you can proprietarize the material that you are sending, or pushing to the social media platforms like this one. So see, so we can switch from our TV producer. So for example, we video cut Johnny. So Johnny will be on air on my Facebook page. And I've been seeing a lot of viewers right now is liking the page. Thank you so much. And every day we provide updates to customers for any developments that we are releasing globally. So if you follow the TVU Networks PH, you'll be able to receive updates daily from us. So right now you are seeing Johnny's face right now because he's on air in our TVU producer, doing on the back end. So this is actually a seamless switching. So you don't see any glitch on switching. And imagine we are doing this coming from the cloud, all in the cloud. And if you want to end it, just click end live if the program is already done. And you can also download the particular show from this management page. Yeah, from this management center, we can already download that particular show that we just ended. Just download it, and you're gonna have your MP4 file format of this particular clip. And that's how TVU Networks works, and TVU Producer plus the TVU Anywhere works. And I believe some of you, and many of you already have some question, and we will try our very best to answer those questions already. So let's get back to the slides and try to answer all your questions. And if you have any question, there's a Q&A button in there, and just key in or type your questions, and we will answer your question right there, right here, right now.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Jay. And we actually, prepare a few questions from customer already. And let me ask Jay about it to get an answer. Okay, Jay, please.
Sure.
What microphones brand would you recommend to capture the audio from TVU Anywhere?
Yep, right. Normally, the customers, some customers use the default or the built-in microphone of their mobile devices. So even actually Samsung phones got a very nice audio capturing device or components, or the iPhones. But if you do the broadcast quality wise, customers, some of the customers around the globe use Rode, Shure microphones, Pioneer, Sony microphones, something like that. So it can be integrated using an adapter that you just need to plug to your mobile devices.
Okay. Next question is what's the latency inside of the producer?
The latency inside the producer is coming from your TVU Anywhere device. For example, Johnny is in South Korea. So going into my TV producer, which is being done here in the Philippines, it just takes like a 1 to 2 seconds delay to get in here. Imagine if you fly using an airplane from Korea to the Philippines, it will take you like 4 to 5 hours to be in here. But of course, we are utilizing the cloud right now, the cloud technology, and that is the beauty of TVU network solutions. So we are utilizing the power of the cloud. So it's just a matter of 2 seconds, 3 seconds. And if you have a better quality of network, you can achieve like 1 second of latency.
Okay. What's the minimum system requirement on laptop or PC?
Yeah, for laptop and PC, at least minimum of i5 and 4 gig of RAM memory, and at least 8 meg of network in your home or anywhere you are located. You just need like around 8 to 10 meg of bandwidth. And for the OS platform, the minimum is Windows 7, because it was before. Right now, it is Windows 7 is not supported anymore by Microsoft. Maybe you can use Windows 10 as normally we use Windows 10 for Windows laptops or PC. And for the Mac, you can use the version 10 and later versions of the Mac OS.
Okay. If TVU Anywhere app lose the connection in a short time, do I need to scan the QR code again, or it will just automatically rebuild the connection again?
Yeah, no, that's the beauty of the TVU solutions. You don't need to rescan again the QR code because it is still in there. The last connection that it made connected to, and that is imagine the memory of our gadget or our device. It will go back to where the device is connected earlier. So you don't need to rescan the QR code. Once the network connection gets back, it will go back and it will automatically connect it to the TVU Producer Environment.
Okay. The last question is that I noticed 4 live sources from TVU Anywhere. What if I want to add more sources than a maximum? How can I achieve this?
Yeah, if you want to add more, because right now the live sources for your TVU Producer can reach up to 4 live video sources. Like you can add up to 4 TVU Anywhere devices. So if you want to add more, you can use another account of TVU Producer, and then the output of that TVU Producer is being encoded as an ISSP stream, and that can be sent to one of the sources on your next TVU Producer.
Okay.
That can add like a multiple, more than the 4 sources that you have.
Okay. Jay, thank you, Jay, for the answers.
I believe. I believe there's more questions. Yeah, let me check. There are still questions that pop up in our Q&A box.
Okay.
Let's check. Can we add more boxes? Okay, there's a question in here from one of our attendees. He is asking if can we still add more boxes for the other sources? Like, can all the boxes be configured to different types of sources like local video IP, cam feeds, etc.? Thank you. Yeah. Actually, you can configure different types of sources. Like what we did earlier, it is multiple platform. Like we added a TVU Anywhere device, and we also added an IP stream from my number 4 box. So it can be a local video file, or an IP stream, or a TVU Anywhere device. So it is doable. So yeah. So we also have another question. Can we add other graphics aside from pre-installed? So how about live effects? So we can add, like what I mentioned earlier and showed, we can do the Singular Live integration. Actually, we are actually integrated to Singular Live already. So you just need an account to Singular Live and do a more sophisticated graphics, or an animated graphics through Singular Live. So if you want a moving graphics, animated graphics, we can do it through Singular Live. If you want more sophisticated graphics, live effects, I think I'm thinking about that. Like you can control the effect, the video effects, and maybe later on you can just add to this attendee who asked this question. You may ask us later, and we will show our emails later on, and you can send us your emails, and then we will provide you a trial account for this TVU Producer, and then we will assist you and we will guide you how to use the TVU Producer and TVU Anywhere. Okay, let me try to check if there's John, questions.
Some customers ask some questions in chat windows. You can also help answer them. Chat window.
Come again, John.
Some customers ask
chat window.
questions in chat windows. Yes, you can also help answer them.
Oh yeah, let me Okay, so I will run through to these questions that I am seeing right now. Let me just check this. If there is no active app, the TVU Anywhere app don't have any delay. Actually, the TVU Anywhere and the TVU Producer is being done all in the cloud. So from your TVU Anywhere device, it will go to our cloud facility. So it will still have a little bit more of delay, but not necessarily not really no delays at all. But because we are working on the cloud platform already, so expect at least 0.5 of a second delay or to 1 second delay. But yeah, of course, it helps a lot if there's no other active application, because the app, like video capturing apps, it's a lot of cell phone or any device resources or CPU resources. So hi, I'm Nathaniel Ablesa from ABS-CBN, channel to Philippines. Okay, the TVU app support. Yes, of course. The question is from Nathaniel Ablasa. He is asking if our TVU Anywhere app supports drone devices. So we are actually integrated with DJI drones. So we all know that DJI is the most popular drone brand that most of the broadcasters and online streamers globally are using. So yes, the answer is yes. We are already integrated with drone devices. So you download our TVU Anywhere app, and you open it, you download, you open, you will see the DJI section on that particular mobile app. Is there facility to provide an output feed externally to HDI? Okay, there's a question from Wayne Sutar. So the question is there a facility to provide an output feed externally to HDI? So we can actually do that. If you have a TVU grid receiver, that is just a 1RU receiver box that we can send this program output to that box. So off that box, you can already get the HD SDI signal feed. If you want to repurpose it for distribution, so you can get an HD SDI feed of that TVU receiver box. Another question from CNN Philippines, from Broadcast ID Department. So we would like to know if it's possible to use Chroma as background live transmission. This is a very good question, because our development team is already received this kind of request to have a chroma key. So we can use like a green screen to have a virtual studio. So right now it is already escalated to our development team, and it's already been put to our plans. So hopefully we get an update on that one, and sooner we will give you an update on this, because like what I mentioned earlier, we from TVU Networks is creating a lot of solutions every day. So we are innovating things. Okay, we will let you know. CNN Philippines, thank you for asking that one. It was a very good question. And what is the minimum system requirements? I possibly answered it already. The minimum requirements, and what you recommend for entertainment purposes, like artists performing silently. Yeah. Would you recommend this for entertainment purposes, like artists performing live simultaneously? My answer is yes. Like what Johnny showed earlier, we've got a lot of case studies already that use this application for concerts. For example, we're talking about entertainment. So for example, it's the concert. So you can have the bi view or the quad view coming from 4 different locations. So they can provide, they can already do live concerts using TVU Producer. And the answer is yes. And okay, let me check if we still have how to connect TVU with a camcorder device like Sony. Okay, so if we want to connect a camcorder, we have actually TVU pack. We call it the TVU 1 pack. So yeah, like this one, just below the TVU Anywhere app. Or this nano video, it's a smaller scale transmitter device. So if you will see on your right screen, lower right screen, a guy from the boat taking a live video shots of this huge cruise ship. He was just using a nano video transmitter. It has two SIM cards, two LTE SIM cards, being aggregated by TVU network technology. So that's how you can connect your HD camera or camcorder to, or Sony camcorder to a TVU device. If there's any question. Hi.
Yeah, Jet.
Yeah.
Kev said there are some questions you missed to answer in the Slack channel. You can check your group to answer it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. There are still a lot of questions from here. From Mario PT. Thank you, John. Last May 6th discussion, you mentioned that CNN Philippines existing use this technology, right? So because I've noticed that from the program source that the host resident, the delay occurred that a delay occurred frequently. Okay, so from Mariana, from ABS-CBN. Yeah, actually, like what I mentioned before during that online presentation, actually it's a network. Some could be network issue, and some could be production issue. So there are still a lot of factors that could affect the delay. But going into from a TVU Anywhere device to a TVU receiver, actually, it is just point-to-point transmission. So from my mobile device to a TVU receiver, it is just point-to-point. So actually, we can achieve a 0.5 of a second delay. So if there would be any delay that you are seeing from the production side, we can check it on the other components that connected to the system. But as far as the point-to-point transmission is concerned, we couldn't see any problem with transmission from a TVU Anywhere mobile app to a TVU receiver. Yeah. I mean, we can check it later on, and we will check. A lot of CNN Philippines guys are online right now and connected to the webinar, and we can check it with them later. A good thing that you raised that point, so our friends from CNN Philippines are listening, and they will try to check it out, and I will also help the guys to check it for you. We will let you know soon. I will check. Is it that the internet provider could be internet provider issue? Make sure that the LTE or the data network of your mobile device is turned on, and you have a Wi-Fi connection from your home to make sure you have a stable connection, network connection. Yeah. Make sure. My recommendation: make sure that the LTE is on and the Wi-Fi connection is strong from your home. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Jay. I hear your answer. Okay. Thank you.
Jay, Jay, one more, question. Can you please, talk to our audience about our AI stuff?
Yeah, so we are actually we also have the AI solution, and we called it the TVU Media Mind. Okay, so our TVU Media Mind is voice to text and face recognition solution that could help the broadcast community in terms of having your materials get indexed easily. So if you want to search for a particular phrase of popular person, for example, President Trump, you just key in President Trump, our system will list all the clips that we had in our database that saved in our cloud facility that is related to President Trump. Okay, so there are questions from the chat box. Okay, hi Jason. From Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas question. So from the Philippines. So if in one site we have no pro video cameras and a Blackmagic converter that can connect to our camera to a laptop. Do you have any laptop? You have a laptop program similar to TVU Anywhere that can connect the feed to another remote TV producer? The answer to that is Mr. Jason Raval. We also have an available TVU Anywhere app in Mac OS devices. So if you have a Mac device, Mac Pro or MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, you can download the TVU Anywhere app from the App Store and use it for transmission. Then you just, I believe, you can use the webcam of your Mac to do the capturing, to capture the live feed. Is there any problem? For audio, did the application has a built-in plugins like compressor, limiter, equalizer, compressor, and to equalize some audio problem? Right now, we don't have this kind of compression or limiter or equalizer, but we are actually developing another audio control box integrated to the TV producer. And once it is released, and actually I will share this a question to our development team to look at it, and if we can still add equalizer to the audio control panel, and that would be best for everyone. But we are going to release an audio control panel integrated to TV producer. I hope that, and I will check if we already have the equalizer on integrated to it. Okay, are there other multi-viewer presets to accommodate more than 8 sources? Right now, the available presets are the by view and the quad view. So, but we already received this kind of questions and requests, and our development team has already looked at it, and sooner it will be, hopefully it will be available. So all your requests will be accommodated. So, but right now it is limited to just by view and the quad view. Yeah. Okay. Do we still have any more questions from the crowd? Maybe. Okay, maybe from CNN Philippines again. So the guys from CNN Philippines are very active right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. So may we know the mobile devices, Android, iOS that are compatible, tested, working with TVU, and or any recommended specs for mobile devices? Johnny,
Yes.
you have the latest mobile phones. So I hope you can answer this. This one. The question is, maybe know the mobile devices from Android or iOS that are compatible and tested working with TVU Anywhere.
Yes, any the cell phone, Android or iOS can work perfect.
So what kind of, or what brands of
Okay,
mobile devices you've used already?
I have experience with the Samsung Galaxy from 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Right now, you know what, I have a Galaxy S20, which is 5G cell phone. It's working perfect. I never tried iOS by myself. Anyway.
Yeah. So right now I'm using an iOS or an iPhone X or iPhone 10, and it's actually working fine. And I've been using this a lot, like for more than a year already, and doing TVU Anywhere stuff and TV producer stuff, and it is working perfectly to our system. So the latest phone should be working correctly, like what Johnny mentioned, the Samsung Galaxy. What is the model?
S20.
Johnny? S20. It works fine with the S20 for Samsung.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay.
can the TV producer's output send to TV transmitter or just send? Oh, I think I've answered this already. So apart from the social media platforms, we can also send to a TVU receiver box. So you can have an HD SDI feed signals to TV transmitters. And check if there are still questions. Okay. John, do we still have any questions from the chat box?
No,
Yeah,
that's
Joan?
all.
can do,
That's all.
okay.
I believe we almost answered each questions right there correctly, hopefully correctly, and I hope that our friends and audiences right now, attendees right now, we're satisfied with the question that we provided. If we are not able to answer or satisfied your questions, we are going to show our contact details later on for you to let us know more of your concerns, and if you want to have a sample or a trial or testings of TVU Producer and TVU Anywhere, we gladly open our system for you. So we will share our trial accounts for you to test it on hand or by yourself, and
Okay,
we
can
will
go back
assist
to
you.
a slide.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you, Jay. If you guys have more further questions, please let us know for below contact info, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. And one thing, if you go visit our website below tvunetworks.com, you can go to a producer, the session that you can just download as a free of charge. You can also use for free of charge for your experience. Please
Yeah, let me just
enjoy it.
show. Yeah, let me just show it so to them where to go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, go ahead, Johnny.
Okay. I need the PowerPoint section, but you are looking for the our website, right?
Yeah. So are you seeing the website now?
No.
Okay. So okay, this one. Are you seeing the our website right now, Johnny?
No.
Okay.
I only see
Okay.
you.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay.
This
Yes.
one.
Okay, you can go,
This-
if you can go this, website and just sign up and log in, then you can just, experience this TVU Producer Environment, okay? Please, look and feel this solution for you guys.
Yeah, just sign up.
It's okay. Jay, can you go back to slide, the last slide?
Yep, sure.
The next,
So this
please.
is our contacts, yeah.
Okay, this is upcoming next webinar session about our TVU grid, that is point to multi-point content delivery solution with a low-cost IP-based solution. Okay, stay tuned on June 12th. Thank you all. Salamat po. Gracias. Terima kasih. Kapkunka. Prilang. Tanyada. Kamsahamnida.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you next webinar.